The first step is to simply go to your Framer website, and then we're gonna have to click on Insert in the top left corner. Then we're gonna have to go to Media, and from here we're gonna have to drag video. So as you can see, we have our video here. Now if you want, you can scale this up, you can rotate it, you can do whatever you want with it. So as you can see here on the right side, we have all the settings. So we have effects, overlays, cursor, styles. We can even change the opacity if we want of the video. Now, if you want to add a custom video, you can simply select upload and then click on choose video and simply choose the video from your gallery. But you can also add URLs. So if you want to add a video from another website, you can simply paste the video link right here. Now here we have other options that you can play around with, but overall that's how you can add a video to Framer. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.